Ladies and gentlemen, that was the Ka No Kyung Ekantao dance. Now we will be witnessing another dance from Assam, that is the famous Bihu dance of Assam. Bihu dance of Assam.
Mike, stand bro.
Minnesota, Hakoba, Ida, Ushomotsise, welcome so much. With a good about core, will be the
Manipur Sangai Festival at Makhel Heritage Park on 26 November 2022, hosted by Mao Council. And the theme of the festival is Festival of Oneness, inaugurated by Sri N. Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur. Honored guest, Sri Maharaja Sanaja Walai Honorable MP, Rajya Sabha, Government of India. Special guest, Sri L. Sushindra Maite, Honorable Minister, PhD, CAF and PD. Sri Qasim Wasum, Honorable Minister, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry and Transport. Sri T.H. Basanta Singh, Honorable Minister, Education, Law and Legislature Affairs. Sri Awangbo Nyumai, Honorable Minister, Water Resources and Relief and Disaster Management. Sri Dr. Lorho Foze, Honorable MP, Lok Sabha. Sri J. Tomo Shah, Honorable MLA, 47 Karong SC. Functional President, Sri L. Dikho, Honorable MLA, 48 Mao Assembly Constituency. Please give a big applause. Government of Manipur, Department of Art and Culture, inauguration of development of a protected historical site at Makhel, Senapati District, Manipur by Sri N. Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, in the august presence of Sri Awangol Nyumai, Honorable Minister, Water Resources, Relief and Disasters Management, Sri Qasim Wasum, Honorable Minister, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary and Transport, Maharaj Alisema Sanajauba, Honorable MP, Rajya Sabha, Sri Lossi Daiko, Honorable MLA, Mao Assembly Constituency, and Sri J. Kumar Shah, Honorable MLA, Karong Assembly Constituency on Saturday, the 26th November 2022. And in presence of Sri L. Susindra Singh, and the construction agency is Manipur Police Housing Corporation Limited. Give a big applause. Government of Manipur, Department of Art and Culture, inauguration of Manipur Heritage Site, Makhel, at Makhel Village, Senapati District by Sri N. Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, in the august presence of Sri Awangol Nyumai, Honorable Minister, Water Resources and Relief and Disasters Management, Sri Qasim Wasum, Honorable Minister, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary and Transport, Maharaja Laisemba Sanajauba, Honorable MP, Rajya Sabha, Sri Lossi Daiko, Honorable MLA, Mao Assembly Constituency, Sri J. Kumar Shah, Honorable MLA, Karong AC, along with Honorable Minister, Sri L. Susindro, on Saturday, the 26th November 2022, organizing agency, implementing agency is Engineering Cell, Health and Family Welfare Department.
Muy emocionado, tuvo que decir algo. Honorable Chief Guest, Sri N. Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, honored guests, His Highness, the Maharaja Sanajauba Laishamba, Honorable MP, Rajya Sabha Government of India, special guests, Sri L. Susindro Meite, Honorable Minister, BGD, CAF and Public Distribution, Sri T.H. Basanta Singh, Honorable Minister, Education, Law and Legislative Affairs, Government of Manipur, Sri Awangol Nyumai, Honorable Minister, Water Resources and Relief and Disaster Management, Government of Manipur, Sri Qasim Wasum, Honorable Minister, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry and Transport, Government of Manipur, Dr. Laura Fose, Honorable MP, Lok Sabha, Sri J. Kumar Shah, Honorable MLA, 47 Karong Constituency, the functional president of the function, Sri L. Diko, Honorable MLA 48 Mao Assembly Constituency, special invitees, the Deputy Commissioner, Senapati District Village Chief Association, Naga People's Organization, Senapati District Students Association, Senapati District Women Association, all village chief, special guests and invitees, people who have come to celebrate the festival here, media friends, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to the Makhel Heritage Village, celebrating the Festival of Oneness here on the 26th November 2022 at Makhel Heritage Park. I'm honored to begin with the session of the program. May I request my co-moderator to kindly brief in Manipuri.
Damak aigi imang sida lengsin diriba lakpiriba ekoi pumna makbu amukka handa pukchel sengna taramna okjari ngasigi ekoi na thamjariba thoram sing asi hobadagi loiba khawbada mapung phana thoram asi mityeng tabiyu saruk yabiyu haibasi mayamgi mafamda thamjari. Let us all look forward to today's program with anticipation, excitement, vigor, and nothing less.
Now we will have the traditional blessing by the Chief of Makhel, Mr. S. Pokhani. May I invite the Chief of Makhel to come and give away the blessing. Thank you, the Chief of Makhel, Mr. S. Pokhani, for giving us the blessing, invoking God's blessing for all of us here at the festival.
We will be hearing the blowing of traditional trumpet by Adani Nikini from Makhel village and Lohra Atishu from Chawainu village. Thank you so much, gentlemen.
Now we will have an hour of honor and welcome. May I invite Dr. Loli Saini, the President of Mau Council, to do away with the hour of honor and welcome.
Very good morning to every one of you. Honorable Chief Guest, Sri N. Bear Singh, Government of Manipur. Guests of honor, Maharajas Sanajauba, Vesimba, Honorable MP Rajasabha, Government of India. Special guest, Sri L. Susindro Maitei, Honorable PhD, CAF, and PD. Sri Basanta Singh, Honorable Minister, Education, Law, and Legislative Affairs. Sri Awambo Numai, Honorable Minister, Water Resources and Relief and Disaster Management. Sri Kachim Vasu, Honorable Minister, Veterinary and HA and Transport. Dr. Lohar S. Foze, Honorable MP Lok Sabha. Sri Kumusha, Honorable MLA, 49th Karon Constituency. Functional President, Sri L. Dikho, Honorable MLA, Mao Constituency. Special guest, Deputy Commissioner Shanavati, Shanavati District Village Chief Association, NPO President and his colleagues, Shanavati District Women Association, all the village chiefs, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I, on behalf of the Mao people and of the Mao Council, and on my own behalf, I want to express our warmest greeting and welcome all of you to this auspicious occasion celebrating Sangai Festival with the theme Festival of Oneness. Indeed, we're so grateful to our Honorable Chief Minister for bringing this festival to this far-reaching end with so many projects which was done at a short period of time with different departments. Indeed, this is a festival of oneness where three brothers disperse from this very particular heritage village. Our great forefather of Ahom, our great grandfather of Meiteis, our great grandfather of Nagas or Mao, dispersed from this place. When they were dispersing from this place, they took a pledge, they make a promise that one day they will come back to this place and celebrate, host a feast. And today, through our Honorable Chief Minister, this is realizing and this is materializing. Thank you so much, our Honorable Sir and all his colleagues. Due to short of limited of time, I will not take much, and I will just want to mention that the stone we have here, the monolith we have here, is the replica of the monolith that is placed there in the village. So this is the monolith of three brothers dispersal. Thank you so much. Thank you once again.
Thank you, the President of Mao Council, for the words of welcome. Now we'll be having an hour of presentation. May I invite Mr. Marco or Lorena to come to the stage and take his time.
Once upon a time in Manipur, the state was in turmoil, and our mothers has been praying for peace. And today, I could not be more prouder to stand before here to give the presentation to none other than the man of the hour, our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri N. Biren Singh, who has brought peace, prosperity, development in the state today. As we can witness, this government, starting from 2017 till now, it's always way above our expectation. Now I take this privilege to take this presentation now, for which I would like to request our Honorable President, Mal Council, to kindly hand over our presentation. I invite you on the stage. In the first place, sir, this is not only a presentation, but rather a thanksgiving, a gratitude, which we cannot forget. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present the Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Sri N. Biren Singh, to kindly come up on stage and receive our love, our token of appreciation for his contribution to this great historical site, the Makhel. Sir, this gift is presented as a symbolic gesture. It is mentioned in the frame that the stone is the significance of where the three brothers have departed. It is mentioned Asatha Alapha, the eldest son, which represents the homes, Totuo, which represents the Métis, and also Kepio, which represents the Nagas. Thank you so much, sir. At the same time, sir, I would like to request the local village, which is Makhel, also extend this gift and appreciation to you for your constant support to this village. Now this village does not only belong to the Maos, but this village belongs to all of us. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would like to invite upon our honored guest today. I believe it is his maiden visit in this historical village. I invite upon the Maharaja Sanajauba Leshamba, the Honorable MP, Rajya Sabha, Government of India. Next, I also would like to invite our special guest, Sri L. Susindro Meitei, the Honorable Minister, PhD, CAF and Public Distribution. So I would like to invite you on the stage. Sir has been here in the last conference, which was held a year before. And so this token of appreciation goes with our prayers and with our unending gratitude for your services. And I would like to inform everyone gathered in this August gathering that Sir has provided a 100 kV transformer right after the program last year, and all the electricity was supplied under his leadership. So I would like to appeal all the crowd to give a round of applause as a sign of thank you to our Honorable Minister. Next, I would like to invite upon Sri Awangmo Nimai, Honorable Minister, Water Resources, Relief and Disaster Management, Government of Manipur. I take this opportunity to invite upon Sri Kashim Vashum, Honorable Minister, Veterinary, Animal Husbandry and Transport, Government of Manipur. Next, I would like to invite upon our very own Dr. Lohra Fazai, the Honorable MP, Lok Sabha, Outer Constituency, Manipur. I take this opportunity once again to invite upon Sri J. Kumusha, Honorable MLA, 48 Karong Constituency. And last but not the least, I take this opportunity to invite upon our functional president of today's, Sri L. Diko, Honorable MLA, Mao Constituency, the driving force behind the success of this festival, our godfather, our uncle, our brother. Thank you so much, sir. We have a lot of esteemed guests and special invitees among us today, but due to the paucity of time, I would end my presentation from here. However, I assured you all the gifts, all the esteemed guests, please do not go empty-handed. Our ushers will be there shortly with a gift. Today is a festival, so we will all be providing you with the gift, which is made with love and as a sign of celebration together. So I end this presentation from here. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Mr. Marco Olerina, for the hour of presentation.
Calling upon Reverend Kelo Samao, General Secretary, Manipur Baptist Convention, to bless the program with the prayer for unity and harmony.
Tin lem leba Bhaja Kraba Matam Sigidam Shobor Tagali Prathana Sida Changsing Dringeda Aigna Sastra Digi Vai Parenga Manitang Pajaning 1 Thessalonians 5:14 and 15. And we urge you, brothers, admonish the idle, encourage the faint-hearted, help the weak, be patient with them all. See that no one repays anyone evil for evil, but always seek to do good to one another and to everyone. Asi isor ki wahini patok ki ba ta ki ba mi kum kutim boy sona for people is no chilu ka je lo jumon fu pi ava bola zo ko lo vai no fole ko mo vo so to feto le va no fole ka ko lo apen pu so ka Filipe Jisu Krista ko suwe e jo sha ko konai ba ko mo ko bu ko je fa mosala no ai no pe di le so to no mo to fene no ko o le no ko pi le ta lo le mayam pratana tausi Prithivi malem pum na bakpo sembiba lining thomo pui bungo anno bak kauro no mir asigi damakka pui bungo pu thagat chapani dilli bana nai thawbural mayam tik tak kaidana mafam sida pura pibagi damakta pui bungo na pu thagat pampi dana decision maker among we han bibagi damakta su thoidok thandok na thagat chapani mi kaya singlup kaya gi bungpham amadi haurapam amowaina bibi kraba Sangai festival pangthokliba Makhel mirol gi damakta su apui bungo na pu thagat chare nungsi haiba thaujaw gi ngopui riba ba pi wena hingde ba singbo manghan hingde dana nungsi mandura lagle heraga Bab ki mahidi asibni hai badu ki mamang wina sibiduna ahing ba isor waibanina asibana yomsan bangam daduna sastra da hai ki bugutungina hingat bikraba asiba bangam bikraba papi singbo lomba de da asa bibiduna kan biba mapu ibungo Jesu Krista ming tagadli mapu ibungo ki yathang Nakta to not do craba, pap chilaba, quite new way begin. Boom sigi, tell about a canlon degi. Jum talk you. Dum coin a lakadoba, lambi yapada. Egi magi, a quagi macoigi, kaidana, semangamba, togurel. Aduga wakanlon, bibiu. Mapantonga yenda duna, miam you are. Maru changba mahayamba achumba thiba amadi dauna ba khanon bibi do khai tagadori ba singbu taisin hanbiba sola ba singbu semgat biba bukning hachang sitharak ba singbu thaugat biba pun si bibi amana amabu nong si haiba ngapi haiba khangbi haiba pun si bibi Aitana yathare aitaduna mayangi yathara bagi damakta kachin graba thaubural singadu yokhatpiu amusu thokhanbiu laitin namadi ana ayaktagi ngapiu asoingandagi kanbiu mapui bungona punna paminna na bagi damakta lamdam masida khoibu thambi khraba miya masibu nungsi chanana hingmin na hanbiu Lomba naida ban hakki nung sibaduna atta karan leitana loina bisanu mare chumna shunna ma afaba bahai yaran biu historic festival asida saru gyaraba miwai khoding bakpu mapui bungon hakki aning bada akoi pangthu eherga lage batil ba mayam sibu bor pibu dena ngasi ko wan numitigi hauna bor phangba wakhanno na matoi ba Minya ngam bata wei ba ai hin buki mak nongai chapa mak le ai nongai chapa akia khang le taba punsi edo amuka hanjnan biu pipiu na amatangai raba Jesu Krista ki minga son japane lokhat piu amen.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Reverend Kelo Smau, the General Secretary, Manipur Baptist Convention, for the prayer for unity and harmony. Now at this hour, ladies and gentlemen, we will be proceeding with the festive honors. His Excellency, the Chief and King of Makhel village, will be welcoming and honoring the Excellency Sri Maharaja Sanajauba Leishamba. May I request the titular King of Manipur and also the Honorable MP Rajya Sabha to kindly come to the stage and receive the festive honors from the King of Makhel. May I request all the congregation to please kindly stand and honor the two Excellency as they come to the stage.
Hojik Makhel Kungi Ningthauna, Meitei Ningthau Maharaja Sanajauba Leishamba Honorable MP Rajya Sabha Taramna Oppagi Tanja Adu Mayam Punna Sarup Yaminasi.
Thank you so much.
Chingdam Anigi Nungshi Nabagi Mari Hana Chetpa Oisanu. Welcoming on stage this beautiful lady and enchanting voice, Miss Tokchom Lansana Chanu. The stage is all yours. Hello. Likrumay Tofyi Ilowe, Krumjay. Ay maugi sa ima ahan bada saktagi soy balan mayaw rama so mayam namak na ng pigil.
sakjari.
Thank you so much. That was Ms. Tokchom Lana Sanuchanu from Anji Cultural Academy in Phal with the tune of Harmony. Now we'll be proceeding to the festival greetings from the functional president, Sri L. Diko, Honorable MLA 48 Mao Assembly Constituency. May I invite him to the stage, sir.
Good afternoon. This afternoon I bring greetings from the people of Mao, and along with the Mao Council, the Makhel village, and the Mao constituency, to our Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Maharaja Sanajoba, Honorable MP Rajya Sabha, Honorable Minister Sri Susindro Mite, Honorable Minister Sri Ongbo Nimai, Honorable Minister Sri Kushin Basum, Honorable MP Dr. Lorher, Honorable MLA Umusha, our respect and love to the Deputy Commissioner, the Chief of the villagers, village of Senapati District, the Senapati District Students Association, the Senapati District Women Association, and all the high-ranking officials and from different organizations, media friends,
and ladies and gentlemen present here today. When we were young, we are very fond of listening to folk stories, folk songs, and we have a tradition in our culture that in the celebration, in festivals, we used to sit around in the village, make fire, and we listen to music, folk songs, folklores, and many others. When we cannot sleep in the night, we would request our parents, demand from them to tell stories. The only story we hear from our forefathers and our parents is about Makhel and the three brothers lived together and departed from this place. We have witnessed so many people, so many group of communities, so many researchers came to Makhel to study about the origin of this village, basing on the history of living together here one point of time. We have seen so many monoliths, memorial stones, and many others erected here and there, installed here and there. There are communities coming together to form a group of people to start celebrating this heritage of Makhel story. I remember 25 years ago, I was in the organizing committee to fundraise for having an organization, festival of Makhel heritage. And I went to Delhi to meet our honorable MP, the outer MP, on behalf of the organizing committee to support this event, to organize this festival, because it is history and it can bring our people together. But our representative, I'm not speaking back against them, but I want to tell you the fact that people don't understand the benefit, the history of our origin of our people and the importance of the history. We tried many ways. We tried to propagate the wonderful history that we have, but there was no point of coming to the conclusion and to the point. You know, recently, it is just not even a year, we have invited our Honorable Chief Minister to this very place to honor this historic place. And when he came to know the program is being arranged by Mao Students Union with the blessing of the Mao Council, the Honorable Chief Minister, our Honorable Chief Minister, came out with the history that he has in mind, which we do not know much also, but he knows better than us. So he came here and he shared his burden, and today his dream has been realized within no time, within not even a year. So today we're here because of our Honorable Chief Minister's initiative, his far-sightedness. Today I have a lot of things to say about our Chief Minister, but since we have only one program here today, celebrating this heritage, I would like to share with all of you that through our Honorable Chief Minister, the most important part he has played, he has done, he has initiated in his governance is that bringing our people together as one people. And for that reason, today we are celebrating the oneness of our history today. And this all happens because of our Honorable Chief Minister. Honorable Chief Minister, we are so grateful to you, my people, and our people of Manipur. We are grateful to you, your leadership, and we will continue to support your leadership. Thank you, sir, once again.
We also like to acknowledge the different department and individuals concerned in this initiative. It is not even a year this initiative has been started. There was no fund, but Honorable CM has initiated and people were put into job to start the initiative. Yesterday I visited here and I have been visiting here frequently to see the progress of the work, and even yesterday to see the last touch I went here and I saw the people are working round the clock. And I met the chief engineer of the health engineering department and I asked him, you have been working overtime and I saw your engineers, your people are working so hard. I appreciate, but you have to bear it because our chief minister, our honorable chief minister wants to do things this time. What he said to me was, I enjoy it. It is a privilege for me to work overtime for something good for people. That kind of spirit people have. For that reason, from the Department of Art and Culture, from the Department of Implementing Agency, the Health Engineering Department, and many others, they all participated with full-heartedly and without wasting time, they could complete this. And today we're here today. We're so grateful to all of you and the support of our village, the Makhel village also. We are also today grateful to Honorable Chief Minister once again and our Chief Minister of Assam, Sri Himanta Biswasji. And not forgetting our Honorable Minister, my friend, I used to call him my young brother, Mr. Gema, who could invite and send the Ahom dance troupe here in our midst to show the oneness of our history. We are so grateful to all of you. And we also want to welcome the Assamese cultural troupe here in our midst. I believe you have gone all the way and you must have enjoyed seeing the difference of our culture and our people here. And I also want to welcome the Chakdeshan troupe who are here to present the solidarity for our brotherhood. And many others from Imphal, from different group, and from some different artists coming here together to show oneness. So with these few words, due to shortness of time, I once again, on behalf of my people here, the Mao people,